Didn't I tell you, Mom, that Radha's goodness is her kryptonite?
But now I have understood that your love is not your weakness, but your strength.
Mother, if I don't marry Mohan, I will kill myself.
Mother, I know that you don't believe what you are saying either. Mother, you can lie, but your eyes can't.
She's madly in love with Mohan, Mom. Now it's time to teach her a lesson. Your crocodile tears won't work on me, Radha. And if these tears are real, then you were truly wronged. Because one-sided love only brings tears.
Just leave her, Tulsi. No, Mother. I won't let her destroy Mohan's life again.
What do you mean by that?
The priest has finalized Mohan and Damini's wedding date. The wedding is in 2 weeks. I couldn't have found anyone better for Mohan than Damini.
Yes, Mohan. This is for you. Actually, Gungun told me that today is Teacher's Day. You are my teacher. That's why I brought this flower for you on the occasion of Teacher's Day.
Your hand? Oh, your hand is bleeding, Radha.
I went to pluck the rose. There were thorns too. What should I do? It is a small wound, Mohan. It will be fine.
I know you will be fine. It will be fine once we apply some medicine to it, right? Look, where's the medicine?
Mohan,
Yeah.
Mohan, your wedding date has been finalized. There's so much work to be done. Go and handle it. I will tend to Radha's wounds.
But Grandma, I can go after I tend to her wounds.
Mohan, didn't I tell you that I would take care of Radha? You should go.
Okay.
Grandma!
Come here. Sit down. Sit down, dear.
Mohan!
Calm down. Calm down, Radha. This is what I was afraid of. Roses and thorns go hand in hand. Where there is love, there is pain too. Your devotion for Mohan turned into love. And that love broke your heart.
I heard about love all my life. I read about it. I saw it. But I never experienced it. But today when I finally experienced it, I realized that Love doesn't come alone. It brings pain along with it. So much pain that I might die. Why, Grandma? Why did Lord Krishna do this to me? If he made me fall in love with Mohan, then why didn't he make Mohan fall in love with me? Lord Krishna not only gave me this name, he also gave me Radha's destiny. He made me fall in love with Mohan. But Mohan will never be mine. He will never be mine. Enough, Grandma. I cannot stay here anymore. We have to go back home.
Why? Is it because Damini berated you? Radha, what did Damini tell you?
No, Grandma. Sister Damini was right. I betrayed her. But I want to leave this house because I can't bear this pain. I can't see Mohan getting married to someone else.
Dear, we won't be able to stop Mohan's wedding. But we can decide not to attend Mohan's wedding, right? Come on. Let's go home. Let's go to her village. Let's go, dear. No, Radha. You won't go anywhere. Damini said those things to keep you away from Mohan. And if you leave this house and go, then Damini will win. You won't go anywhere, Radha. Please.
Radha? Radha?
Hey,
Radha?
Gungun,
Huh?
come here. Tell me something. What's wrong with Radha? Why is she acting weirdly?
Why wouldn't she act weirdly?
Why?
I can't tell you. Radha and I made a deal. We won't share our secrets with anyone. Okay, bye. I'm going to meet Radha. Radha?
Radha, at least tell me what's wrong. How long will I keep asking everyone about you?
Radha? Why are you packing your things?
Well, actually, I'm going back to Barsana.
Why?
There's a lot of work pending at home. And all of you will be busy with Mohan's wedding.
Wedding?
Yes. Mohan and Sister Damini are getting married in 2 weeks. The wedding date was finalized today morning.
Oh. That's why you are going home.
No, not at all.
You are lying. I know everything. Why didn't you tell Mohan that you really love him?
What are you saying, Gungun? It's not like that.
Oh, come on. That day I asked you what kind of boy you preferred. You described Mohan. Am I right? Wait a minute. This is Mohan. You love Mohan? This means Mohan is your hero? Why are you saying that there is nothing going on? Mohan will marry Damini and you will be heartbroken. Is that why you want to leave this house? I'll go and tell Mohan that Radha is in love with you. Then he will call off the wedding. And I know he loves you too.
Yes, Gungun. Go and tell Mohan.
I'm going.
No, Gungun, come here. You come here. Sit down. You won't tell anyone about it.
Why? Don't you say that one should always tell the truth?
Yes. You should tell the truth, Gungun. But if the truth hurts someone or makes them sad or ruins someone's life, then one shouldn't reveal that truth to anyone. And Mohan doesn't love me. He wants to marry Sister Damini. And Sister Damini loves him a lot. And if Mohan finds out that I'm in love with him, everything will get ruined.
But Radha...
No, Gungun. Promise me that you won't tell Mohan anything. You won't say anything to him. Promise me, Gungun. Promise me.
What do you want her to promise you, Radha? Tell me.
Mohan, I'm glad you came here. Please talk to Radha. Look, she is leaving. She will surely listen to you. Talk to her.
Hello?
Gungun, please promise me that you won't say anything to Mohan. For the sake of our friendship, Gungun. You call me your best friend, right? Won't you do this for me? Gungun, one should keep their promise even at the cost of one's life. This is what Lord Ram taught us. He never broke his promise. Lord Krishna never broke his promise either. Gungun, I hope that you won't break your promise too. You will keep your word. You will, right?
Radha, why are you asking her to make such a promise to you? Gungun, you won't make any promises to her. You won't promise her anything. Gungun!
What's going on, Radha? What do you want her to promise you?
Actually, Actually, Mohan, I asked Gungun to promise me that she would let me go.
Really? And where are you going?
Actually,
Where?
Radha is going back home, Mohan.
She's going home? Why?
nothing, Mohan. Actually, how long will I stay here? And how could I live here for so long without feeling bad, Mohan? Right? Take this, Grandma.
But why all of a sudden?
It's not sudden, Mohan. It's been a long time. I have started missing my house. And we have a cow in Barsana. She just gave birth. I have to take care of her. And we have a temple. That reminds me, we haven't performed the puja in the temple for a long time. I have to do that as well. We have neighbors. They miss us too. So,
Lies. You are lying, right? You are crying as though you are heartbroken. But I know why you want to leave this house and why are you crying? Because you don't want to study. So am I right? On the
actually,
one hand, you gave me a rose for Teacher's Day, and on the other hand, she wants to run away. You cannot go anywhere. You have to study. Whether you laugh or cry, do what you want.
Mohan,
Yeah?
it's not like that.
Why are you crying? Do you want me to wipe your tears?
Grandma, let's go. Mohan, I will complete my studies there. I promise to study. But I have to go now. Goodbye.
Ra, ra, ra.
Radha!
Radha, why are you in a hurry to go home? Look, Uncle Vishwanath is not at home. Let him return. You can leave after meeting him. It would be better.
Let's go to her village. Let's go, dear.
Wait a minute, Radha. Where are all of you going together?
Grandma? Radha is going home.
Home?
Mother, please stop Radha from leaving. You know it in your heart that Radha is the right girl for Mohan. Please, Mother, please do something. Why do you want to leave suddenly?
I have some work at home. Anyway, I stayed here for a long time. It was nice spending time with you all. But I have to go now.
Radha won't go anywhere. You are in a hurry to go to Barsana, right? Then do one thing, sir, you can take grandma along with you. But Radha won't go.
Mohan, let me go.
I said you wouldn't go anywhere. And that's final. Don't be a stubborn. Keep your bags inside. Go.
You are being stubborn, Mohan. If Radha wants to go home, just let her go. This house doesn't belong to her.
Yes, Damini. You want Radha to leave this house. She's leaving this house at your behest.
First of all, Damini, this house belongs to Radha the way it belongs to you and me. And secondly, I said Radha wouldn't leave. And that's final.
But dear, just think about it. That Radha is a guest. She has to leave sooner or later. But this is our house. It's not a sanctuary that anybody can come and stay here forever.
Okay, Aunt. Are you done? But the truth is that this house is not less than a sanctuary. Because a lot of people have been living here as guests for ages. And they never left. You are one of them. And most importantly, stop calling Radha a guest. Now Radha is a part of this family. Go and keep your bags inside. Go on.
Mohan.
I don't want to hear anything.
Mother, this isn't the time to be quiet. Because if you stay quiet, then Radha won't leave this house. And if Radha doesn't leave, this wedding won't take place. And if this wedding doesn't take place, you can make preparations for my funeral and send Mohan to jail.
Mohan, Radha must be missing her village and her relatives. Let her go.
Please forgive me, Mom, but this time I won't listen to you. I did what you wanted the last time. I didn't say anything during the wedding.
But
I said you wouldn't go anywhere. You will stay here.
Mohan,
I'm saying you nicely to keep your bags back.
I have
Keep
to
your things inside.
Mohan, let me go.
Don't be stubborn. You can't leave and that's final. Go back inside.
Mo-
Just go.
Please, Radha.
Radha. Even an occultist black magic isn't so powerful. You managed to mesmerize Mohan so soon. He doesn't want you to leave this house. Anyway, don't you want to leave this house? The way you came to this house in the middle of the night, you can leave this house the same way. Won't you leave, Radha?
Okay, Sister Damini, I will leave.
Gungun, stop crying, dear. Look. Hasn't Mohan told Radha not to leave? Now Radha won't leave this house anymore.
Radha won't listen to Mohan this time. She will leave for sure. I am her best friend. I know her very well. Once she makes up her mind, she won't listen to Mohan as well.
Okay, I admit that she is your best friend. But dear, she cannot live in this house forever, right?
Why does she have to go? Why can't she stay here? The way we all do?
Yes, dear, but this is not her house, Gungun. Now tell me who lives in this house? Grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, your dad, your family lives here.
And where does my mom live?
Your mom used to stay here too. So only family members can live together, dear. Guests cannot stay in this house forever.
Thank you, Grandma. You solved all my problems.
You won't cry now?
I will never cry again.
Good girl.
If I want to keep Radha here forever, I have to make her a family member. But there is only one way to do that. I'll make Radha my mom. Radha, you made me promise you that I wouldn't tell Mohan that you are in love with him. But I'll make you my mom at all cost.
Sister Damini was right. I should leave at night. How will Mohan stop me if he doesn't see me? And once I leave, Dad and Grandma will follow suit.
That's good. Leave this house, Radha. And don't show me your face again.
Ouch! Oh, Lord Krishna! Mohan, You didn't go to
No,
sleep?
I was damn sure that the cat would try to escape at night, and that's why I stood by the door of the house.
Mohan is never at peace. Where did he come from?
There's a cat at home?
Oh, you didn't know we had a cat at home? You.
No. Mohan, why are you hitting me? Lord Krishna, stop it! How could you hit someone?
What did I
like
tell you,
this?
Radha? What did I tell you? You cannot leave the house, right? Were you going out for a stroll? I will hit you with a stick.
No, no.
Take a U-turn and go back to your room. Go. Come on, you
What
won't
are you
listen,
doing?
right?
Mohan,
Come on,
Mohan,
come
no,
on,
no,
come.
Mohan. You don't pull it. You broke my bag.
I didn't break it. It broke automatically. I was just pulling it.
Didn't I tell you not to pull it?
Why are you worried? Don't start crying now. Do you remember what you always say? You can always mend what's broken, remembered? Whether it is a thing or a relationship.
It is not difficult to mend broken things. Whether it is a relationship, a hope, or your dreams. I don't let go even if something is broken. I start mending it. It will be fine in no time.
Right?
Mohan, you can mend things and relationships. But you cannot mend a broken heart.
I knew something was wrong. What happened? Did anyone say something to you? Did Aunt Kaveri say something? Damini. Mom, just tell me.
No, Mohan.
Then what's the problem? Why are you leaving? Radha, do you know what will happen to Gungun and me if you leave? Radha, I can't live without you.
I cannot live without you either. But I cannot bear to see you getting married to someone else either.
What are you doing? Now you started crying again. Wait a second. I will wipe off. And please don't cry. Why do you want to go? Just tell me. And I'm not scolding you. I'm just asking you. Why do you want to go? Is there a problem? No, right? Then stay here.
To be heard. That Radha has become your need. You have to learn to live without Radha. Whether you want or not. This is your future wife's decision.
Damini? Damini? Damini, what are you doing? What are you doing, Damini?
Mother, you returned early.
What?
It's okay. Please be patient. I was going to hang myself. You can bring my body down later, okay?
What nonsense is this? Stop it! Damini, you promised me that you won't do this.
Mother, you made me a promise too. You said you would keep Radha out of Mohan's life. Didn't you see the way Mohan stopped Radha from leaving? Now Radha is a part of this family. I don't need to stay here anymore. I just
No, please. Please listen to me. My son, my Mohan's life will be ruined, Damini.
You only care about Mohan. What about me, mother?
No, please don't. Please. Damini, don't listen to me, Damini. Please, I'm begging you. Please don't do this, please.
Fine. You don't want your son's life to be destroyed, then
Yes.
throw Radha out of this house. Okay?
She will leave. She will leave this house. Please don't do this. Don't do this.
Radha, there is a letter for you.
For me?
Yes.
What does it say?
Radha, what happened?
Grandma? Aunt?
What happened, Radha?
Mohan, my aunt sent this letter. Her health is very bad, Grandma, and I have to leave right now. We have to go.
In that case, you should leave right now.
Yes.
I know it very well you did this, Damini. You sent this letter, right?
Is there anyone at your aunt's house to take care of her?
No, Mohan. She doesn't have anyone except us.
Radha's uncle passed away a couple of years ago. There is no one to take care of her. We have to go to our village.
That's why I felt that I should return to Barsana. It was a sign, yes. Gungun?
We won't let Radha go. Am I right, Mohan?
Mohan, let Radha go. In that case, she should go.
You should go. If it is important, you should go. I have an idea. I will go with you and we can come back together.
No, Mohan.
Why?
If you come along, people will gossip again.
Yes, Radha's name will be dragged through the mud. Anyways, she doesn't even have any respect.
You will come back, right?
Radha, go.
No, Gungun. Gungun, listen to me. Try to understand. I'll come back. I have to go now.
Radha, please don't go. Look, please don't leave.
I'll come back, Gungun. I should go now, Mohan.
Mohan, this is not right. Please stop Radha from going. This is wrong. You burnt your hand. Is it fine now?
Ketki, take care of yourself.
You too.
How much attention do you want, Radha? Now get out of here. Are you done? Now just leave. And don't show me your face again.
This is enough. Now I won't listen to Damini and sacrifice my child's happiness.
This letter has come from Vrindavan. But Radha said her aunt lived in Barsana. Why did this?
Greetings.
Greetings.
Hey, who are you? Hey, let me
come
go.
on.
Dad, Grandma.
Hold her hand.
Yes, Mom, yes. The letter has come from Vrindavan, not Barsana.
What?
That means the letter is fake, right?
Understand one thing, my dear. Hriday is fugitive at present. The police is looking for him. He is on the run. If they suspect that you're also involved with him in any way, then you will also be forced to hide.